Hey, what's up everybody? It's 18 Hands. I wanted 18 Hands to not only be about my music project, but I wanted it to be an outlet where I can share health, wellness, and fitness tips that I implement into my daily life, and maybe you can implement some of them into yours as well. And so since it's cold and flu season, and I've caught a cold, I like to reach for more natural remedies to help get better and boost my immune system. So one of them is a recipe for a powerful probiotic yogurt that I'm going to share with you in just a bit. But first I want to tell you about this probiotic called Lactobacillus reuteri. It's basically something that's passed on to us through our mother's breast milk, and over time a huge percentage of the population are missing this group of probiotics called keystone bacteria, and Lactobacillus reuteri is one of those. First and foremost, L-Reuteri can help balance your gut microbiome, which is super important. It works by promoting healthy bacteria, which can help reduce bloating, gas, even digestive issues that you may or may not have. It also has been shown to support your immune system by helping your body fend off infections, keeps you feeling your best as well. Since you get a oxytocin boost, it may help you improve your sleep and reduce your cortisol levels, which can be caused by stress or other hormonal factors, since all of your hormones are in the gut. It can support your skin by reducing inflammation, and there are even some studies that show it can help with acne, rosacea, and eczema, and possibly other skin conditions as well. So it's also really beneficial to your heart health. Can lower your cholesterol levels, support healthy blood pressure, which is super important for your cardiovascular health. But enough with all these benefits, let me show you how you can make this super powerful probiotic. Only 4 ingredients are needed. This is going to be a dairy recipe. There may be other recipes that are non-dairy, but the one I'm going to share with you is going to be whole milk, half and half, inulin powder, and your probiotic. You're going to need to let that ferment for 36 hours. But come with me in my kitchen. I'll take you step by step through how you can make it super easy at home. Alright, so this recipe is pretty easy. There are only 4 ingredients. The first one being organic inulin powder. You can pick this up on Amazon. This is going to be the star of the show. This is called BioGaia. This is actually the gut bacteria here. Probiotic. These are in tablets. You're going to need 1 quart of half and half, and you're going to need some whole milk. So the first thing you're going to need is your inulin powder. You're going to need 2 tablespoons. Then you're going to take 10 of these capsules here, or actually they're tablets, and you're going to crush them up. You can use a mortar and pestle or a spoon in a bowl. Crush them up real fine with your inulin powder, and then pour in a couple tablespoons of your milk or your half and half and make a paste. Once you make that paste, you're going to put that into your mixture. So what I did here to get a head start is I heated up the milk and the half and half to 100 degrees. You don't want to get any hotter than that because that's going to kill off your probiotics. So I have my mixture here in my crock pot, and since my crock pot doesn't have a way to control the exact temperature, I actually have had this thermostat for a while, and I've set it to be at 100 degrees. So right now it's about 98 because I just pulled it off the stove, but you can give your probiotic a head start if you heat it to 100 degrees on your stove. There are also yogurt makers on Amazon, places like that you can get. You just need a way to control your temperature. You want to keep it between 100 degrees and no higher than 108 degrees. We're going to let this sit for a total of 36 hours, so set your alarm and we'll come back and check on it. Alright, it's been 36 hours, plus I put this back into the refrigerator for about 3 hours to stop the fermenting. process and also to solidify and have it set. And let's have a look to see how it turned out. Oh yeah. Check this out. Better than the stuff that you can buy in the store. Has a slight sour taste like yogurt, but also a little sweet. Amazing for your gut health.